Fellow Biafrans, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you this moment. Depends on your time zone and where you are hearing me from. I say to you, good morning. From here, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I'm here with an important issue to discuss with my beloved brothers and sisters, Biafrans, and also to whom it may concern. And when I say to whom it may concern, is that there are people I know that love Biafrans and at the same time that are supporting Biafrans. So some of those people have fought for their freedom before, and some of them are in the process of fighting for their own freedom. So they will clearly understand what I mean and what I'm saying, that I'm talking about this moment. So let it not look strange to you. I'm talking to my people about the plans of the Nigeria federal government. Nigeria federal government have decided that they will not let Biafrans go. So, and the Biafrans have let Nigeria government know, Biafra government have let Nigeria government know that come to freedom, that Biafrans are already free, they already exited. So what I'm telling you now is nothing but the truth. They have sharpened their knives, their guns and their bullets as usual to fight Biafrans. And they want to fight them by all means in all ramifications. But I don't think I have anything to tell anybody now more than to tell Biafrans to be courageous. Somebody you defeated in the day, you will as well defeat him in the night when he come for fight. Already, Biafra, which is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is Biafra himself. He is the Biafra government. He has defeated Nigeria government in the day. And the whole world knew it. It's not a hidden thing that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, defeated Nigeria government in the Supreme Court of Nigeria. So even if you like, take the matter to the Supreme Court, World Supreme Court, all right, he will still defeat them 1,000 times, because truth does not have two colors. Truth only have one color. So from where Mazen Nnamdi Kanu started and where he stopped, we take off this moment to finish what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu started. He started a good job, a welcome project. So now we have to help him to get it what? Finished. Whether anybody likes it or not. My message to every Biafran this moment is tighten your belt. Be courageous, because without war, there will be no peace. And without a fight, there will be no reconciliation. When we fight, we will know out of the two people who defeated and who is great. But I am telling you that what Nigeria government is fighting is a dead battle, a finished battle. We have finished them. In the Nigeria Court of Appeal, Biafra government finished Nigeria government. There's no two ways about it. The world powers and world leaders supported Biafrans because Nigeria is an illegal country and running illegal government by kidnapping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You don't know the mystery behind the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They thought that kidnapping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be the end of Biafra. And this was why Buhari opened his teeth, laughing and telling Igbos that they should look up there. What did they see? That thing that they did to them 1967 to 1970 is what they are going to do to them again. If anybody from Igbo land open his mouth and talk about Biafra or mention Biafra, the person will be killed. And they started it. Are you getting what I'm saying? So now, for you to say that you belong to so place, even those who belong to Okot, tells you that he belonged to Amok, he belonged to Ekanka, he belonged to different type of fraternities. So, do you kill them? We have freedom of worship. You may be worshiping your own God in Amok society. You may be worshiping your own God in Ekaka society. We have heterogeneous societies or secret courts. So which you don't have any living proof to say why did this person decide to worship his God in so place. So if that will happen, now why won't somebody said this is where I come from? Because Nigeria is divided into three places. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. I, who is talking, I'm an Igbo man by tribe, naturally. My mother tongue, I speak it expressively. So what offense is it for me to say that I'm an Igbo man and I'm a Biafran? So also anybody who comes from North is from Arewa. Didn't you know that Nigeria was divided since 60 years ago? Nigeria was divided 60 years ago, 6 decades ago. 6 decades ago. If you don't know, let me inform you. If you say I'm lying, why is it that there is Arewa nation? And the Hausa people know that they are the Arewas. Why is it so there is Oduduwa nation? Then the Yoruba people still go back and tow that rope and let you know that they are Oduduwa. and the Igbos and the rest of them, Eastern region and other part of Nigeria, they know that they are Biafrans. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So now, why now do you want me, because of you, to renounce my identity and to say that I am what I am not? I'm not a Nigerian. I'm a Biafran. So there's nothing you can do about it. So where is Buhari today? Where is Buhari today? Who committed genocide, war crime, orchestrated the mayhem going on today in Nigeria? Where is he? Is he a Nigerian? Let's be frank now. Are Fulanese Nigerians? Explain to me how Fulanese migrated and become Nigerian. Where they're coming from. It's only in Nigeria that indigenes are not ruling the country. It's strangers from nowhere are the people who are ruling Nigeria. It's only in Nigeria it is happening. Foreigners are ruling Nigeria. And that is why I'm telling you that to say that you are a Nigerian is a taboo. It's a fraud. It's a disaster for you to say that you are a Nigerian. Look at what Tinubu is busy doing. What is the difference between what Buhari did and what Tinubu is doing? Because Tinubu is not a Nigerian. Go and excavate the history. Find out the patriarch of Tinubu, his genealogy, where he's coming from. So, if you say these people I'm mentioning to you are Nigerians, why is it so that when they come to presidential seat, things get worse in Nigeria? People are dying. Let's go back. Right from the military regime. How many people were killed by terrorists? Let's count from Obasanjo regime. Was there anything like a terrorist in Obasanjo regime? There is nothing like that. Their barbaric act was not displayed. Obasanjo warned them, if you want to fight, you go to Afghanistan. Nigeria is not Afghanistan. All right? So they hold back. Jonathan regime, they made Jonathan uncomfortable so that Fulanese can be able to Islamize and Fulanize Nigeria with Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda, ISWAP, ISIS. So, and some of you are still very far from the truth. And what is that truth? Nigeria is not a country. For some of you who said that Nigerians are possessed, that is why Nigeria is the way it is, that Nigeria is suffering from evil spirit. Nigeria needed deliverance. So I don't know why and what you have been waiting for to pray as a deliverance minister and conduct deliverance on Nigerians so that the evil spirit that is possessing them can leave them. Meanwhile, it was your brother Tinubu that was highly demonized. You're supposed to call him and conduct deliverance for him. So, an adult that is in the house and children are fighting, killing themselves, and you are laughing. That is what it means. Let me tell Igbo people something. Let me tell Biafrans something. As long as the evil entity called Nigeria is consigned to be one Nigeria, no Igbo man, no Biafra man is safe. Because if you will understand or you will see the plans of terrorists in Nigeria to invade Biafra land, some of the people who used to come and make noise on the social media will not be making noise. They will look for a solution to make sure that that evil plan did not take place. But they will leave reality and be talking fables. Some people will just got drunk and come to the social media and say whatever they like. Then when bullets and bombs started flying here and there by the hands of Fulani terrorists and the bandits, they will begin to run looking for where to hide their heads. Are you getting it now? Because from the beginning, they refused to be objective. They refused to look the truth into the eyes and say the truth. Nothing but the truth. This is the truth. So only if Nigeria is one and everybody have it equal. So no side will be depressed and oppressed the way Biafrans, especially Southeast, we are being over-oppressed and depressed, stigmatized and tribalized, nepotized and ostracized, and nobody cares. They are being maltreated as a war treaty. And their leaders, the leaders from Southeast, accepted the whole condition because of what? They are looking for what to eat with their family. That is all. No one from Southeast is there to fight for any Igbo person. You will see what will happen when this war set. You will not see any Igbo politician in Nigeria. They will all look for means to jump inside the plane and run away. But some of you are busy now supporting them because they give you 10,000. They give you 100,000. For your information, Nigerian money have no value. How long will you eat 10,000? How many days will you eat 100,000 with your family? 100,000 naira. It's like 10 naira to me. 100,000 naira. It's like 10 naira. 10 naira to me. Who is talking to you now? If I should give you 100,000 naira, so I look at it as an insult to you because I know that you cannot buy anything with it. It's to me like 10 naira. And somebody will work from day 1 to 30 days and no salary, only in the Southeast. Please, we have come to keep our country.